I didn't get to go and show the fridge, you stopped me. 2 meters from the fridge. No punchline. Come on, kids, let's go look at the fridge. Can we roll this thing? What is it? Can we move this? Can we move that? Unplug that fucking thing. Come on. I want to show everybody one of Mike's necessities. Let's roll this fucker out. It's probably full of cottage cheese and AA batteries. What else do you keep cold, Mike? What's in here? Mike's heart. Cold. Beer, water, Coke, cane. You're a diva. How much have you had to drink tonight? How much catching up do I need to do? Keep going, I'll let you know when you get there. I want like a pop-up fridge or something that just kind of, or just a straw that just randomly kind of pops up over here in the middle of the song. I'm just gonna lean over and have a little slurp on some fucking sauce. We're here to entertain, Mike! Drink. Yes. This isn't a party! Oh, hell yes. Or is it a party? Okay, Pete. Hang on a second, here comes room service. What is this? Now it's a party! Celebration, bitch. Celebration, bitches. Enjoy yourself. Wow. Shit got pretty cozy up here. Where's the wife? Hi, honey. Cheers. What's going on? Is it an episode of fucking Cribs or what? I'm wandering around, I'm gonna have a drink, and then we're gonna get the crowd to sing along. There's champagne. That waiter is fucking fired. Rose. Excusez-moi, s'il vous plaît. He's coming out of retirement, everybody. He's coming out of retirement. Get away with it at home, but you can't get away with it in Leeds. No. The champagne was the killer. It's the carbonation. All right. Oh, I'm just going to be burping all the way through this next song. You're going to have to help me. You're going to have to sing along.